I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Choose a Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable rated for 1 Gbps and at least 2 meters long. Hold the cable by the boot and check both RJ45 connectors carefully. Look for broken clips, bent pins, or frayed shielding that can cause connection errors. If your Ethernet port is recessed or fragile, power down or put the PC to sleep before inserting the plug. Keep the cable away from power cords to reduce interference and tangling while positioning it. Insert the RJ45 plug firmly into the Ethernet port until the clip clicks into place. Once connected, check the system tray for link lights that indicate 10/100/1000 Mbps connectivity. Open network settings and enable DHCP for automatic addressing unless you need a static IP. If assigning a static IP, use an address like 192, 168, 150 with mask 255, 255. If the link light is absent after connecting, restart the PC and then restart the router. Swap in a tested Cat 6 cable to rule out damage if speeds stay below expected 100 Mbps. Check the network adapter status and update NIC drivers from the manufacturer site for stability. Open adapter properties and set speed and duplex to auto-negotiate for optimal results. Run a speed test and inspect for packet loss to confirm successful troubleshooting and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.